This is the Wisco Boater Channel. My name is Chad, and I am out on my boat for the first time since I bought it a few weeks ago. I did not video the launch or some initial test runs just because I wanted full concentration on what I was doing. The only issue I had was I think the trim indicator isn't quite right. It works, but I don't think it's quite right. And it was just a little bit out of trim when I went to get on plane the first time, and the engine kept wanting to overspeed. But got that figured out, and it seems to be working great now. I've got good temperature, 175, battery's good, oil pressure's good, speedometer works, tachometer works, fuel gauge appears to be correct. I did make sure the boat was full before I came out today, so that's all good. And I'm out here running around with my friends Kevin and Michelle. They're up in front of me on their Boston Whaler, and we're just doing a little tour of Sturgeon Bay on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. We just got back from crossing Lake Michigan on their big boat, their Tiara 4300. Show you some pictures here of what we saw, what we did. We went over to Manistee, Michigan yesterday. It's about 2 hours and 15 minutes or so. That actually to Manistee was about 2:45. But Manistee was a nice little town. Not the best marina, but I will say it was a good time. We visited a couple of breweries, went for a dinghy ride down the river there, saw this cool old, looks like a ferry boat. It's called the City of Milwaukee. I believe it's now a museum. So that was pretty cool. And then today, before we came back across Lake Michigan, we went to Sleeping Bear Dunes, and this place is just incredible. The dunes are like 300 feet high. People walk down and climb back up. I was told there's a sign at the top of that dune that says that if they have to rescue you, then it will be $3,000 for them to come down to the bottom and get you. That's something I don't think I would ever do. I could do it. I just don't know why. I don't know why I would. I don't know why anybody would. So it's just weird. All right, we're slowing down here. I'll be right back. All right, so I just met up with them. We're gonna go up here to spot off. There's a little beach over here. We're not gonna beach the boats, but I think we're gonna anchor out. Just hang out for a little bit. So everything so far on the boat is good, other than that one initial hiccup there, but hopefully that's was just a trim gauge indication issue. So do a little more video in a little bit. All right, we are anchored up. I just went for a swim, tied up to Kevin and Michelle's Boston Whaler. I've got my anchor out and fenders between our boats, so we're just gonna chill out here for a little while. Still got a decent amount of sun left in the sky. I don't know what time it is, 5 o'clock or so, but beautiful day, so we're just gonna hang out here for a bit. All right, well, I'm on my way back into the boat launch to recover the boat. Had a nice hour or so anchored out and just enjoyed the afternoon. Boat's running great. So yeah, first outing, all good. Super happy with it. Didn't quite get to top speed on it. The water was just a little bit choppy, but I did see about 42, I think, on the GPS. Not quite a full power run. So get a nice smooth day. I'll get it out and see what it really does. But looking forward to the rest of the summer hanging out on this boat and hopefully bringing some friends up to hang out with me. So short episode, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm just thrilled to be on the water again on my own boat. So it's awesome. I'll be back with more later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy boating.